Castor oil and baking soda, these two natural ingredients are powerhouses on their own. But together, they create an amazing combination for your health. They can help your skin, soothe your joints, and even fight off infections. If you find this information helpful, please like, share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Castor oil comes from the castor bean. It has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Castor oil is full of ricinoleic acid. This special acid gives castor oil its healing abilities. People use castor oil for many things. It can help with constipation, hair growth, and skin health. It is also known for reducing inflammation. Baking soda is a staple in many kitchens, but did you know it's great for your health too? Baking soda is a natural antacid. It can help with heartburn and indigestion. Baking soda can also be used externally. It is a natural cleanser and exfoliator. It can help soothe bug bites and sunburns. Castor oil and baking soda make a great team for your skin. Castor oil moisturizes and cleanses. Baking soda exfoliates and removes dead skin cells. This combination can help with acne, eczema, and other skin conditions. It can also reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks. A soothing solution, using castor oil and baking soda for skin. In this section, we will explore how these two simple ingredients can work wonders for your skin. Want to try castor oil and baking soda for your skin? It's easy and can be done right at home with minimal effort. These ingredients are not only affordable but also highly effective. Mix a tablespoon of castor oil with a teaspoon of baking soda. This combination creates a paste that can help exfoliate and moisturize your skin simultaneously. Apply it to your skin and gently massage. The castor oil helps to deeply hydrate, while the baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells. Leave it on for a few minutes, allowing the mixture to penetrate and work its magic. Then rinse with warm water to reveal your refreshed skin. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. This simple remedy can be a great addition to your skincare routine, providing natural and effective results. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. Joint effort. Relieving pain with castor oil and baking soda. Joint pain can be debilitating. Castor oil and baking soda can provide natural relief. Castor oil reduces inflammation in joints. Baking soda helps to alkalize the body, reducing pain. This combination can be helpful for arthritis, gout, and muscle pain. Applying relief. Using castor oil and baking soda for joint pain. This natural remedy has been used for generations to alleviate discomfort and promote healing. To use this powerful duo for joint pain, mix them into a paste. The combination of castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties and baking soda's alkalizing effects can provide significant relief. Use 2 tablespoons of castor oil and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This ratio ensures the paste is thick enough to stay on the skin while delivering the benefits of both ingredients. Apply the paste to the affected area. Gently massage it in to help the skin absorb the mixture, which can help reduce inflammation and pain. Wrap the area with a warm towel and leave it on for 30 minutes. The warmth helps to open up pores, allowing the paste to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. You can do this daily for best results. Consistency is key to experiencing the full benefits of this natural treatment. Over time, you may notice a significant reduction in joint pain and improved mobility. Fighting fungi, castor oil and baking soda for fungal infections. Fungal infections can be stubborn. Castor oil and baking soda can come to the rescue. Castor oil has antifungal properties that fight the infection. Baking soda creates an alkaline environment where fungi cannot grow. This combination can help with athlete's foot, nail fungus, and ringworm. Tackling the fungal infections can be stubborn and persistent, but with the right approach, you can effectively manage and eliminate them, using castor oil and baking soda effectively. This natural remedy combines the antifungal properties of castor oil with the exfoliating power of baking soda. For fungal infections, apply a mixture of castor oil and baking soda to the affected area. This mixture helps to break down the fungal cells and soothe the skin. Use a ratio of 2:1 for castor oil to baking soda. This ensures the mixture is potent enough to combat the infection while being gentle on the skin. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes before rinsing. Covering the area with a towel or plastic wrap can enhance the effectiveness by keeping the mixture in place. Be consistent with the application for best results. Regular application is key to ensuring the infection is fully eradicated. Set a reminder to apply the mixture daily until the infection is gone. Embrace the power of nature. Castor oil and baking soda are incredible natural remedies. They offer a wide range of health benefits. From skin health to pain relief, their uses are vast. Try incorporating these powerful ingredients into your health routine. You might be surprised at the positive changes they can bring.